Let's start with a quick overview. Conflicts in the Middle East typically lead to spikes in oil prices due to supply fears. With ongoing tensions and the maritime disputes in the South China Sea, the stability of global oil prices is under threat, affecting countries heavily dependent on imports, like the Philippines. In light of this, turning to electric vehicles seems like a smart move. Today, we're looking at some of the most affordable and stylish EVs hitting the market, from the compact BYD Seagull EV to family-friendly options like MG4 EV 2024 and Hycan V09 EV.
This is the BYD Seagull, and it looks like a baby Limbo. The interior design is surprisingly pretty. It doesn't look like a $10,000 affordable car. There's a center display, an instrument display, and good news, many physical buttons. It even has power seats. As you can see, it's a 4-seater, so even it is small, there's enough room for everyone. It has a tiny 55 kilowatts motor, a 38 kilowatt-hour battery of 405 kilometers of range, and an L2 ADAS. The trunk is also not that small.
Today, we're taking a closer look at the MG4 Electric, the game changer in the affordable EV market. The MG4 Electric sports a sleek, modern design with a bold front grille and sharp LED headlights. It's built on MG's new MSP platform, which promises a spacious interior despite the compact exterior. Powered by a choice of 2 battery sizes, the MG4 offers a standard 51 kilowatt battery with a range of approximately 350 kilometers per charge and a larger 64 kilowatt option that pushes the range to about 450 kilometers. It features a rear-wheel drive setup, providing a balanced and dynamic driving experience, ideal for city driving and beyond. Inside, the MG4 doesn't skimp on technology. A large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system stands at the center, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior is roomy, with comfortable seating for 5 adults and adjustable configurations for extra cargo space. Safety is paramount in the MG4, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system. It also boasts an impressive NCAP safety rating, making it a trustworthy companion on the road. Safety is paramount in the MG4, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system. All in all, the MG4 Electric is not just another EV. It's a statement of style, efficiency, and sustainability. Whether you're new to electric cars or looking to switch, the MG4 offers a compelling package that's hard to overlook. The Hycan V09 is an electric MPV designed with comfort and style in mind, offering 3 rows of seats accommodating up to 7 passengers. It is powered by a dual motor setup producing a combined output of 543 horsepower, enabling a brisk acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.9 seconds. The vehicle boasts a generous range of up to 510 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its 98 kilowatt battery, making it suitable for both city commutes and longer journeys. Equipped with a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety is prioritized with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an autonomous emergency braking system. Additionally, the vehicle's cutting-edge thermal management system ensures battery efficiency and longevity, even under varied climate conditions, making it a reliable choice for everyday use and travel. In our comparison, the BYD Seagull stands out for its cost efficiency in daily operations. Electric vehicles like the Seagull benefit from significantly lower charging costs compared to the recurring expenses of gasoline for traditional cars like the Toyota Rays, especially with fuel prices prone to inflation. Over time, this translates into substantial savings for EV owners, making electric vehicles an economically smarter choice in the long run. For us in the Philippines, where tensions over maritime boundaries can impact our access to oil, embracing EVs can be a form of energy independence. Moreover, as these vehicles become more affordable, they provide a practical and sustainable alternative for Filipino families. Globally and locally, the shift to electric vehicles is gaining momentum. With government incentives and a growing number of charging stations, the infrastructure for EVs is improving, making this transition more feasible than ever. There's never been a better time to consider an EV. With the dual pressures of rising oil prices and environmental concerns, electric cars offer a forward-thinking solution for today's challenges. What do you think? Are you ready to go electric? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on how technology can transform our world.